Hi friends, are you ready to take your career to the new heights in cloud engineering? I am Neeraj. I have 15 years of IT experience and 10 years of online training experience as well. I am here to help you mastering the concept of cloud computing. That means whether you are planning to start your career in IT or you are looking for a job switch or in case you are just planning to upscale your skills to enter into the world of cloud engineering, we have something special for you. Yes, you hear that right. The first three classes of all my courses are absolutely free. And not only classes. Along with the classes, you will find end-to-end data engineering projects, online assessments and interview questions, and much more. Do you love learning by looking at the boring slides? No. Even I don't. Our courses are designed to be interactive and 100% practical, giving you the real world experience. So we create a free AWS trial account because AWS offers a trial account that's valid for 1 year. That means I will demonstrate each and everything practically during the class, and at the same time I will be sharing my real project experience, like what are the best industry standards, what are the best practices, and what are the day-to-day challenges and the scenarios, like where exactly these services fits into the project. After every class you will get the class recording along with other study material like notes, coding, sample data, or any other files used during the class so that you can do practice on your trial account. Live classes are conducted from Monday to Friday in early India morning time. In case you live in USA, it would be Sunday to Thursday evening US time. That means Friday and Saturday night there is no class. You can enjoy your weekend. And even if you live in any other part of the world, in any other country, and the timing are not suitable for you, nothing to worry about. You can still go with our recorded sessions. And for the students who go with the recorded classes, I conduct special doubt clearing classes over the weekend for them. My next live training batch is starting from second week of August. This will be a 6-week training program. The first class will be about introduction to cloud computing and AWS trial account creation. Overloaded with lot of details? Don't worry. You don't have to remember all this thing. I'm happy to announce that we have launched our website and the mobile app, which will help you to find the details about all of my courses and much more. So on your Android phone, you click on Play Store and you search for the application, the Cloud Engineering, and click on install. So once the app is installed, we will open the app and we will log in. So I will log in with my mobile number. The OTP has been auto verified and you can see the details about all the batches here. You will find free material. You can find interview questions, sample resume. In the video section, you can find Snowflake tutorials, data engineering projects, Python tutorial, AWS tutorial, and under test, you can find some online test which you can try. So on your iOS devices, you go to App Store and then we will search for our app, that is Class Plus. Once the app is installed, we will open it. So the very first detail it will ask for is the ORG code. The ORG code is WWCBVP. I will also share this code in the description so that you can easily find. Once you provide the ORG code, you need to provide your mobile number. Let me provide my mobile number, 5422. That's the OTP. So once you log in, you can see the detail about all the batches going on, upcoming batches, and the recorded courses as well. So you can see that. You can scroll down and suppose you want to go for the August batch. So this is the August batch details. You can find all the details here. If you want to see the content, you can even see that. You can see that after login, you are even able to take this test, which is nothing but are you ready for cloud? It will hardly take 10 minutes. You can try attempting this test. Apart from that, there is a demo class, which is nothing but a recording from my previous batch. Once we will conduct a live demo class, we will upload the latest recording and you can check the detailed course content as well. So you can access all the free classes, mainly the first 3 classes. After that, all the content will be in logged state and you need to buy the course. So you can click on buy now. It will take you the payment page. All the payment options are supported and you can easily buy from here. After buying, you will get access to all the study material and you will get lifetime access. You can watch it and do the practice on your trial account. So let me show you our website. You can go to the browser and open the website, thecloudengineering.com, and you can check the details about the courses by clicking on the courses tab. And you will find the details about my ongoing batches, my upcoming batches, and recorded courses as well. This is a 6-week training program starting from 5th of August. And this is a online test. If you want to test your knowledge, you can log in. And after that, you can attempt this test. You will find the details on the right side. You can see that this is the option of buy now. In case you want to buy immediately by paying the full amount, you can click on buy now. All the payment options are supported. That includes Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit card, credit card, internet banking, and other mode of payments. So are you ready to get started with cloud engineering? Visit our website, thecloudengineering.com, or install the mobile app with the name The Cloud Engineering. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for updates on my upcoming batches, interview preparation, end-to-end projects, and much more. Unlock your potential with our cloud engineering courses. Start learning today.